Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to the Terrace community at Preston in Cadence by Lennar. Now today we are going to be touring one of my favorite floor plans, which is the Nora, so don't go anywhere. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas or you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is September 16, 2024, and we are here at Terrace at Preston in Cadence by Lennar. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this area, the Cadence area, we're about 25-30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Cadence is a nice master plan community, so the amenities are going to include parks, trails, playgrounds, splash pads, and they have an Olympic-sized pool, so it's great for families. Lennar, this whole Preston at Cadence, there's like 6 different communities, Lennar communities at Preston, but today we're going to be going over the Terrace at Preston community. So I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they have 3 different floor plans here. They have the Elliott, the Nora, and Diana, all ranging from about 2,400 square feet to close to 3,000 square feet, with the base prices ranging from $531,990 all the way to $577,990. Now, guys, when you see the prices of those homes, those base prices, just know the only upgrades that you can do for these homes is you could upgrade the backsplash, the countertop, the flooring, the cabinets. I believe you could add in like cabinets in different parts of the home. Right now for the Elliott floor plan, base price is $531. They have some quick move-ins for $570, $573. The Nora, $556. They have some quick move-ins for $595. And then Diana, $577, $990. They have a quick move-in at $634, okay? And just know that prices are subject to change. Again, today is September 16, 2024. Couple things about the community, you guys. The HOA is $103 a month, so that's gonna include all the amenities out here that I mentioned about, you know, the pools, the splash pads, and all that. Another cool thing actually is this Lennar community, internet is included. That doesn't happen too often, okay? That's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the Nora floor plan. Now the Nora floor plan is 2,704 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and the base price as of today is going to be $556,990. Now they do have a quick move-in that is $595, and that's the out the door price, okay? So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, the paver driveway, that's included, desert landscaping. You will have that. Now the backyard is just going to be a dirt lot, so you have either like 6 months or a year to fix your backyard, according to the HOA. Okay, so this door here is going to be about a 6x7 door. So welcome in. Ooh, okay, so as soon as you walk in, this is what I noticed, what I see. Really high ceilings here in the foyer. Oh, okay, yeah, it's been a while since I've been in this floor plan, but I do like this floor plan. So you have the bedroom downstairs. I know that's important to a lot of buyers. Okay, stairs that go second floor. Now look how open it is here. Very nice. Okay, 9-foot ceilings. Looks like they have upgraded flooring throughout. Okay, so just remember, the only upgrades that you can make with a Lennar home is the flooring, the cabinets, the countertop, and the backsplash. Everything else, it's the way you see it is how it's going to be. That includes like the light fixtures, the door handles, the the configuration of the bathrooms, so you can't adjust any of those, okay? Okay, so yeah, some really nice space here. Okay, I like the design of this backyard. Now, I don't know what the average lot sizes are, but if you are curious, just reach out to me. I could find out what the average lot sizes are here. So plenty of cabinets. This is really nice. Again, this is standard. That is not upgraded. Now, the size of this island is really nice as well. And the island itself, the material, that is optional. Okay, so this is an upgrade. Okay, so right below the, right over here, so you do have extra cabinet space, which is really nice. More cabinets is always helpful. Also too, if you optional backsplash right here in case you wanted to do that. So as far as all the appliances that you're seeing here, the GE refrigerator, the oven, stovetop, the dishwasher, the microwave, that's all included. Okay, so you have the single basin stainless steel sink. So all this, what you see here, this is how it's going to be. Okay, so that's what's included. Okay, it's got the GE microwave. See, as you can see, it's going to vent outwards. Okay, so this is the pantry. So it looks like, I mean, the pantry is a little bit smaller, but yeah, I mean, if it was me, I think that's plenty of space already. I'm not type to fill up my pantry. Okay, cool. So this is going to be your coat closet, and you also have like extra storage space. The garage is locked, but the garage, in regards to the garage, you'll have a water softener loop. You will have a tank water heater. It'll be set up for an EV charger in case you have like a Tesla or an electric car. And then the garage walls, they won't be painted. Okay, so it's going to come unfinished. Cool. So yeah, let's, oh, you know what? Let's check out the bedroom down here. Again, as far as the paint color goes, it's going to be extra white by Sherwin-Williams, going to be a flat finish. And then in the wet areas, like the bathroom and kitchens, it's going to be semi-gloss. Okay, and you'll have this flat corner edging. So just remember, the thing with flat white paint is it gets dirty really easily and it's hard to clean. I'd recommend just painting over it if it gets dirty. If you're moving with a family and you have a lot of kids, I'd recommend just painting the whole house semi-gloss if you know the walls are going to get pretty dirty. Okay, so here's the bedroom. Looks like they made this into an office space, which would be a really nice office for sure. Okay. So yeah, more homes are two-story homes with a bedroom downstairs is pretty high demand. So I would say it's great for resale. If ever you were to sell your house and you have a bedroom downstairs, there'll be more buyers looking for that as opposed to just a two-story with no bedroom downstairs. Cool. So you have that walk-in closet. You have the spacious bath right here, walk-in shower, fiberglass. Okay, so this is the included quartz. And as far as the cabinets, actually, I think that might be standard, that color and white, but I'd have to double check. So yeah, I love this. Just like the very high ceilings. It's a nice foyer. Okay, and you also have like windows up there, so that's really nice. So welcome to the second floor. Beautiful loft right here, very spacious. You're gonna have your two bedrooms, the laundry room. Oh, I'm sorry, that's gonna be the full bath. You'll have the laundry room, linen closet, and the primary bedroom, okay? Now guys, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes and you're thinking about visiting a new construction community for the very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through this process. Now again, if you are using a realtor, that is okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit, because if you go by yourself, once the builder gets your builder agent gets your name, your phone number, and email address, they're going to register you in their system with no agent. And once they do that, they won't let you have representation down the road. But you want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest. And we look after your best interest. So we're very familiar with the process. We know when to negotiate. We know when to hold the builders accountable. It's just better to, have your own representation. So again, give me a call. If you don't have any representation, you'd like help, I would be honored to help you guys. Okay. So you got the transfer grill up there. Again, every room is going to have smoke detectors. This is going to be the door casings right here. So this is like 2 inches. Okay. Oh, I guess these cabinets right here are optional. So maybe you might have, so I guess you can add these right here. Okay, so this is going to be the other bedroom. Okay, good size. This is going to be a full-size bed. So yeah, loving the 9-foot ceilings. I feel like that should be the standard 9-foot down, 9-foot upstairs as well. But most builders, I won't do that. All right. Cool. So I'll show you guys the bath. So you have the dual sinks. You can have a door here for your toilet and your shower tub combo. Okay. This is the included quartz. Got the undermount sinks, Samoan faucets. Okay. So right here, you're going to have your laundry room. Okay. As you can see, it's there's a sticker on the washer and dryer. It says optional, as well as these cabinets. Okay. So I guess other than the flooring, countertop, backsplash, I guess you can add some cabinets in certain places. That is an option. Smart panel box right here. So it's already going to come with, I believe, this router modem, and then you just have to buy a router. Right, so really large linen closet actually. And I feel like it'd be nice if the pantry was this size instead of the linen closet. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. You'll also have a balcony. Who doesn't love balconies? Okay. Now, if you want to switch out this in the bedrooms, the lights for ceiling fans, you could definitely do that. Okay, plenty of space. Yeah, I like this floor plan a lot, actually. Okay, so you got your dual sinks here. Shower tub combo. Okay, your toilet. And then, wow, okay, so this walk-in closet's really spacious. Okay, nice. All right. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the Nora floor plan. And again, if you have any questions, you're curious to know what the incentives are, or you just need help with this home buying process, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. But yeah, thanks so much for staying till the end, and I will catch you guys on the next video.